in a car, 8-hour trip, going to North Carolina, right, Bubby?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are we going to North Carolina?
To look at some boats.
Boats. We're gonna go look at boats, are we?
Shipwrecks.
Shipwrecks.
Yes.
Okay. So, this is the first day of the big trying to find a boat to live on. Right, Bubby?
Yes.
He's so agreeable.
Why do you keep showing? So we're in Oriental, North Carolina, taking a look at some boats that we might like.
Okay, so here's the Endeavor. Tons of storage, great bed, TV screen flaps down, big shower. I love this boat. Dinner galleys in here, in the hallway. Refrigeration.
That cabin's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it sure is. Absolutely.
Stove, big salon. Are these solidly built?
Oh, yeah, Endeavors, yeah. They're cruising boats, offshore boats.
What about, like, going across the ocean?
Oh, absolutely. This boat's designed for offshore passages. Most of these boats, when you get in the 40-foot range, 38-foot range, most of these boats are designed for offshore work. That's rated for like 6,000 pounds or something with lag bolts.
Right.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
This is the Endeavor.
Yeah.
That is. It's amazing.
You know, that they're not through bolted.
Yeah.
But
Wonder why they would do something like that. You're right. I mean,
Yeah.
you'd think it'd be through bolted.
you would think.
Wow. All right. Well, did you take pictures?
Yeah.
I'm right.
All right. Now the question is will we be able to get you on the back onto the dock here?
I hope not. Then we can say the boat's sold. Because the lady's stuck on it.
The lady's stuck on it. This is the Neuse River out of Oriental, North Carolina.